Hi guys, in this video we're going to be bringing you the top best hotels in Purnia with the cheapest booking code so you can get the best hotel deal at the best price. Purnia is very famous for the oldest temple of the Purna Mata Devi, which is 5 kilometers away from the main city. We've compiled a list of the best 5-star hotels, 3-star hotels and also budgeted hotels in this list. Make sure you watch the video till the end so we can help you select the best hotel for your stay. Hotel Holiday International. This hotel is one of the most popular hotels in Purnia. Since it is located in the city center, it makes it accessible for you to explore this beautiful city. The hotel is very popular for its quality services and friendly staff. The hotel has a beautiful garden where you can just unwind and relax. They also have a beautiful terrace garden where you can just sip onto your coffee and enjoy the stunning sunset views. This hotel has a huge lawn which is also very famous for organizing any kind of events or functions or weddings. Apart from this, the hotel provides with a 24-hour front desk service. They also have an in-house restaurant which provides a 24-hour room service. The in-house restaurant here provides Indian and Chinese cuisines. All the rooms here are very well equipped with a separate seating area, a TV, a mini fridge, a closet and a desk. The rooms here are comfortable and spacious and also very reasonably priced. Hotel JMD International. This is one of the 4-star hotels in Purnia which gives you a level of comfort for safety and accommodation. This hotel has a picnic area where you can just unwind and relax. They have an in-house fitness center, a beautiful swimming pool. They also have a 24-hour coffee shop and an in-house restaurant which provides 24-hour room service. This hotel has a small banquet hall which is perfect for any kind of intimate functions for about 50 people. All the rooms here are very well decorated with the right amenities to make sure that you have a very comfortable and pleasant stay. The rooms here are very spacious. The beds are super soft and comfortable. They also have a separate seating area and a private balcony where you can enjoy the beautiful city view. Hotel Singh Palace. This is a 3-star budget-friendly hotel in Purnia. It is a very reasonable choice for those of you looking out for a budgeted accommodation in this city. It is located in the Bata Bazaar, which is very popular amongst the tourists. This hotel provides some of the facilities and amenities to make sure that you have a very comfortable stay. They provide express check-in and check-out services, a 24-hour front desk facility, an in-house restaurant which has 24-hour room service. The management here is extremely friendly and they strive for just customer satisfaction. They also have a small banquet hall in this hotel which is perfect for a small function like a birthday or an engagement. The rooms here are very comfortable, spacious and also extremely colorful. They have different categories of rooms available and you can select them according to your budget. The Grand Palace Purnia. This hotel was built in about 2018. It is one of the top players in the category of hotels in Purnia. It is a one-stop destination which serves their customers whether they are locals or they are visiting the city from different parts of the world. They have a huge banquet hall which is very famous for organizing wedding and big functions in Purnia. It is also very famous amongst the tourists as they choose this venue for hosting their wedding celebration. All the rooms here are very well equipped with a TV, a closet, a mini fridge, a separate seating area and also all the rooms here are very comfortable and colorful. This hotel has different categories of rooms available and you can select them according to your budget. Hotel Paris International. This hotel provides a level of comfort, accommodation and safety for their guests. They offer maximum comfort to their guests whether they are visiting this hotel on a business trip or as a tourist. All the rooms here are very well maintained and extremely well decorated and it is filled with the best of the amenities that the hotels can provide. The hotel has an in-house coffee shop, a restaurant, a dining area. All the rooms here are very well equipped with a separate seating area, a desk, a flat screen TV, AC and also a balcony where you can enjoy the stunning views of this beautiful city. You will definitely have a pleasant stay at this hotel as they provide great customer service. Please drop us a like button if you're enjoying this video and it is helping you out in selecting the best hotel for your stay. Also do subscribe to our channel to get information about various hotel deals and for more travel tips. Hotel City Inn. This is one of the most budget-friendly hotels in Purnia. It offers quality accommodation and great services for their guests. This hotel provides a number of facilities for their guests. They have a 24-hour front desk facility, an express check-in and check-out service. They also have a 24-hour room service facility. Unfortunately, this hotel does not have an in-house restaurant to dine in, but they have a 24-hour room service facility available. This hotel offers high-quality room facilities and they are all very well equipped with a TV, AC, a separate seating area, a desk and a closet. The hotel is reasonably priced for the services that they offer, so make sure that you check this out. Hotel Soul Tree. This hotel provides a high level of comfort, fine accommodation and safety for their guests. The hotel itself offers services that are very well designed designed to offer maximum comfort and pleasant stay for everyone visiting this hotel. They have an in-house restaurant which provides Indian, Chinese and Asian cuisine, a 24-hour front desk facility as well as an express check-in and check-out service. All the rooms here have really huge beds and they are very soft and comfortable. The rooms are also very well equipped with a TV, AC, a closet and a separate seating area. This hotel has different categories of rooms available and you can select them according to your budget. Hotel Sri Nayak Regency. This is a 2-star budget-friendly hotel in Purnia. The hotel provides some of the facilities which make sure that the guests have a very pleasant and comfortable stay. They have a 24-hour front desk facility, an express check-in and check-out service, luggage storage, as housekeeping services available every morning. All the rooms here are very well maintained and also they are very well equipped and make sure that you have a very comfortable and pleasant stay. This hotel has different categories of rooms available and you can select them according to your budget. Hotel Crystal Blue. This hotel is located in the city center which makes it accessible for you to explore this lovely city. They have a 24-hour front desk service, a free Wi-Fi access all over the hotel, a 24-hour room service facility from their in-house restaurant. All the rooms here are comfortable and also very well equipped with a TV, AC, a separate seating area and also a balcony where you can enjoy the stunning views of the city. This hotel has different categories of rooms available and you can select them according to your budget. Hotel Andrews. This is one of the 3-star hotels in Purnia. It provides you with all the basic facilities and amenities and makes sure that you have a very comfortable and pleasant stay. They have an in-house restaurant which provides 24-hour room service. They also offer a 24-hour front desk facility, an express check-in and check-out service. Rooms are very well equipped with a TV, a closet, a separate seating area, a bathroom and also a balcony where you can enjoy the beautiful city view. They have different categories of rooms available here and you can select them according to your budget. If you have visited any of these hotels, please share your experiences in our comment section below. We'd love to hear them. We wish you a safe and a wonderful stay. Bye bye.